Hey guys, good morning. So now we're going to start making some jewelry with the jewelry kit that I got over at BeeBee Crafts. So I have showed you the box before in my unboxing video, but I just wanted to share with you real quick that you have those little inserts that you can take in and out, and those little dividers help you divide your beads or other little items that you have in the box. Okay, so in the beginning of my unboxing video, I showed you how to make this cute little super easy necklace where you just put the bead inside of the little pendant and you close it up, and you can go ahead and slip in your chain into the little hole there. And it's super easy to make, and there's two of them in there that are like that you can do that with. So they are super easy to create, no time at all. So let's move on to making our next necklace. Okay, so for this next part, I'm just going to speed through and we're going to make a necklace together. And we get that little wire coil, and we're going to stick a bead in there, and we're going to get one of our little pins. We're going to push that pin and some beads together, and I am showing you how that little pin just goes through those beads. So now I'm going to add one more bead to the top of that little coil beads. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to bend that little pin and make a little loop with that. Okay, so once you bend your wire, you're going to go ahead and cut that excess off. And I think it's about maybe 1/4 of an inch or so, and then you're just going to bend that wire back. Okay, and you can find lots of jewelry making videos over at BeeBee Crafts YouTube channel, so you can definitely use the BeeBee Crafts YouTube channel for reference on how to make jewelry. So now I'm just straightening out my little loop, and I'm going to put my chain through, and we're done. How easy was that, right? So cute, so pretty. Okay, so for this next part, we're going to make two little dangly earrings, and I'm using the pink beads from the kit, and I just stuck them through one of those pins, and now we're going to fold over the pin part again, like that, and we're going to make a little eyelet loop, okay, or a little loop, okay, and then you're going to go ahead and take your snips and cut that excess off. Then you're going to go ahead and grab your pliers again and just make a little loop that sits on top of the earring. Okay, so once you make your little loop, you're going to grab one of your little earring holders, and then you're going to grab a jump ring. Feed that little loop through the earring and jump ring, and then the jump ring through the little loop you made on your earring, and you're going to close that up with your little pliers there, and there's your earring. So you made an earring, and it's so easy, you guys, when you have a kit that has everything together in it, and you don't have to go outside for anything. So I'm going to make one more, and then I'll be right back. And there you go. So now you've got two earrings, right? And so how cute is that? And those were made in a matter of minutes, you guys. So seriously, you got two earrings in like 2 seconds, right? so then, okay, y'all. So for this next part, we're going to be making like a little charm for my glue. I guess you could call it like a glue stopper, but it's just a little charm. I went ahead and took one of the little pins and I cut the tip off. So I'm actually making a little hook and eye at the end of that pin, and so I'm just going to go ahead and make that a little wider there and bring that together. Once I get that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm putting my little beads through another pin that has the head on it. so they will stay on there securely. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some of the light blue small beads and the big blue beads. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and continue to make 3 of these bead pieces using the same procedure we used to create the other jewelry that we made, and that is by bending over the pins and making a loop, cutting off the excess, and just placing the remaining of that pin underneath or over the top of your beads to make a loop. So you're going to create 3 of those, and then you're going to go ahead and grab a little jump ring, and you're just going to feed that through your little top of your little holes that you made on the eye pin that we created by taking off the top of that pin. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this part. As I was making this, I had a thought that I'm not sure if the main pin that goes into the glue is stainless steel, so I may have to change that out later, but that is okay because these are super easy to take apart and change out. So I really like how this little thing turned out. It's so dainty and small, and it's not top heavy, so the glue stands upright without falling over. Okay, you guys, so for our last little project here, we're going to go ahead and make some earrings again. And this time I'm using the little pendants that open and close. And I just stuck some little red beads in there, and we're going to go ahead and make these. I'm super excited. Just going to get a jump ring and put that through the little hole there on the top once you put your bead inside of that pendant. Then you're going to go ahead and close that. Then you're going to grab another jump ring after you close the first one that's on top of the earring. You're going to feed that one through and the other jump ring. So you have 2 jump rings attached together, okay? Then you're going to grab your earring holder and you're going to feed that through. And there's your earring. So yeah, so there we go. So you get 2, so you have 2 jump rings that are attached together in between the earring part and the bottom part of where your bead is, okay? These were so super fast to make, y'all. I absolutely love these little pendant earrings, and you can change the beads out too if you wanted to. So I hope that you found this tutorial inspirational and that you enjoyed it. Again, these were super easy to make. We made those in a couple of minutes. Okay guys, so this is the BeeBee Crafts jewelry kit, and we just about finished everything that we had in our kit. There are a few leftovers that we have. So again, we used pretty much everything. So I'm pretty happy with everything that I made. It was so fast and easy to do. I just love these little kits. I will have all of the links to what I used here below, which is just the kit, and then my own snips and clippers and my own little tweezers here. So but pretty much everything we used, everything actually that we used came from inside of the jewelry kit. So I really didn't need to go outside of anything, anywhere to make anything. So we even made a little glue charm stopper. So that is so super cute. I'm really happy with this. I've never made one before, and that's what I love about these little kits, is because it's super quick and easy. So take a look over at their store. I will definitely have the link down below, and I will have some more BeeBee Crafts videos coming up. I'll go ahead, and if you want to take a look, there is the link on the left-hand side to the latest video featuring BeeBee's Crafts, and go ahead and push the button to subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!